Hey everybody, it's Ben with AmeriRent Equipment and HotPowerWashers.com. Wanted to bring you guys a video today and show you the Magnum 4000 unit hot power washer that we sell. And we sell the units and all its parts. You can go to HotPowerWashers.com and purchase this unit. Freight's included in all my prices on there. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a close-up of the new unit. I received these in 2022. They must have been year-end 2021 makes, as you can see on the sticker there. But these were just produced off the line. Just wanted to give you kind of a close-up of some of its parts and just go over a few things here with you. This is a 3.5 gallon at 4,000 PSI unit. It does come with manuals for the unit, downstream injection hose, yellow and black nozzle, and the keys, the electronic start. There's your gun and wand, 3-foot gun and wand. With everything's got quick connects on it. Everything's quick connect right there. That's your outlet for your water from the hot side, and 50 foot of hose. Your O-rings, those come with it as well. But that is your outlet with your thermostat wire that goes in the back right here. You can see your thermostat control back there and fan on and off switch. Here's your pump, EK440 pump. You can purchase that on my website as well. This is your unloader and your inlet for your garden hose. And there's your downstream injection nozzle you can hook to. And then here's your cold water pressure relief valve. You can purchase this all from my website. And then here is your pressure switch. I'm not gonna move this hose here. You got, this, like I said, this is the EK440 pump with your level guide there. See, that's where you'll want to fill the line to. This has already been tested, has oil in the pump. That's how we sell them. We test all our units. Here's your fill valve, your drain plug. You can actually look inside the pump by removing these 6 screws on the face there. And you can remove and look at the inside of the pump. Look at the back side there with all the valves. Move around to the front here. 10 gallon poly diesel tank. You can see drips from, because we do put diesel in it and test the burner. Electronic start. This is a leaf-on 15 horsepower or LF190 engine. It is a basically a knockoff to the Honda GX390. You can see they did change the setup on this tank. I've had several people ask me about that. I guess people have been having issues with the carburetor being flooded, from what I understand. Had a few people call in about that. Just pneumatic tires, 13-inch tires. Here's your on and off switch. Obviously it's not gonna work because I don't have the battery. And then here's the clicking of the thermostat, which we do sell on our website as well. Move around to the back here. You have your stainless steel wrapped coil. Then the coil is not stainless steel itself, just the wrapping or the housing for the coil. And you can see down in here, there's the coil. You can actually pull that off by removing those screws, and I think there's 2 on the front. You can use that lifting point inside the housing there, hook up right to that and lift it right off. Obviously after you disconnect that hose and that down there. After disconnect the thermostat probe there. And let's look down here at the burner. get adjusted here. There's your identification tag there, serial number. And then this is your 12 volt burner. Some models are 120 volt and you'd see a wire coming off there with a plug if it was a 120 volt burner. Wayne burners. Again, this is 12 volt. This is where all your electrical is. And your battery would sit here, just a lawnmower battery. Gives your battery specs right on the side here. You see that? And then there's an inline fuel filter and a shut-off valve back there. You can barely see. If we get back in here, these Suntech fuel pumps, which is right here, and your fuel solenoid. And there's where your fuel's pumped into your burner. I am gonna do a kind of a diagnostic and troubleshooting video of this unit. Kind of go over each specific part of the unit and give you a brief overview of what to do in certain scenarios if something goes wrong with your hot pressure washer. This is your rectifier, which maintains the battery. It does not charge it. We also sell those on our website as well. And then also any accessories that go with these units. So they did change it up. Now it's 50 feet of hose instead of 30. So, and those have quick connects on them as well. But yeah, guys, here it is. This is a Magnum 4000 year-end 22 model. And we do test all these units, fully tested. If anything's wrong with them, we replace the part before shipped. And just give us a call at 1-800-478-1081 if you have any questions regarding it, or if you need any parts. If you're local to Indiana, any servicing done, we do service these units. We got a couple in here right now. A couple other warranted units or these Magnum non-warranty units. But yeah, guys, there it is. That's the Magnum 4000. Again, follow me for updated videos regarding troubleshooting, which I'm going to be doing here soon on these units, and for any additional videos that we do. Again, we appreciate the subscription and the follows, and just ask if you have any questions, and or feel free to ask for any questions, and I'll answer them as quickly as I can. And I appreciate the follow, guys.